Salam everyone, today we'll be making chicken tikka rolls out of a very easy and simple recipe. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first we'll take 500 grams of white flour and all-purpose flour mixed together in equal proportions. Next goes in some salt to taste. Add in a tablespoon of oil or ghee and mix it well in the flour. Here I've added a teaspoon of baking soda. Knead the dough with the help of some water. When the dough gets prepared, cover and keep it aside. For preparing the chicken, we'll take 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Next, add in 500 grams of boneless chicken. Fry the chicken until it changes the color. Now add in half teaspoon of kali powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder and a tablespoon of tikka masala. Give everything a nice mix. Now add in the ingredients listed on the screen. After adding all of the ingredients, cover and keep it on low flame until the chicken gets tender. Here you can see that the dough is bouncy and perfect. Divide the dough into 9 equal pieces. Make the ball out of each partition. Here the chicken is completely tendered, evaporate the water and add in some salt to taste. Now give some cold smoke. Now we'll prepare the sauces. For the first sauce, we'll take some green cabbage and add in 2 tablespoons of dairy cream and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix everything well together and a first sauce will be prepared. Grind the ingredients listed on the screen and then mix them into half cup of yogurt. Now add in half teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Now prepare the parathas as you usually do. Now you can assemble as shown. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the recipe, don't forget sharing it with your loved ones. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.